face in there. It's unsafe to do it. Okay. We're gonna have a family dinner, okay? You get what you get. But you don't get upset. Let's do the kids' plate first. Let's see what we're going to get. Oh, we're going to get some dough. And we might bake some baby food. Gonna mold out the shapes. Okay, I'm gonna add some of this fresh jalapeno. They're not jalapeno, Mom. I'm joking. Oh wait, never mind. I'm going to grill something else up. There you go, honey. Some chicken rotisserie. And then you have to take a shower and then that's all. Get ready for the dinner plates. This is to share with me and your dad. That's to share with you and your sister. You understood? If I give you vegetables, you finish the vegetables. Got it? Operation yes, ma'am. Seriously, I'm not joking. That it will actually happen. And you get a few cookies. Like just like that. 4. And you get 4. Now, time for the vegetables. I like vegetables and shrimp. I love shrimp. No. What would you like to propose? Nothing. Okay, great. I know you gonna go down. Hey now, you're a rock star. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna get some shrimp for you. Shrimp. You're gonna like it, and it's very good for soups. Yeah, your sister is right. Me and your father have been eating these for a long time. 45 years? We're technically 39, and your dad... I'm joking. I'm 35. What, since when? And your dad is 38. Since when? Since the day that I just gave birth to you when I was like 25 or 26 or 28. What? So how old am I? 13. And I'm a teenage girl. I know you're a teenage girl. You're just 13. You're gonna relax. You're gonna be okay. It's not like the world is ending. Let's have some great dinner. Okay. 10 minutes later. Okay. 5 minutes later. They finished their shrimp. Another 3 hours. They finished their bag bowl of cookies, which is so delicious. Okay guys, that's the end of the day. I hope you like and subscribe. I know I have messy hair. Okay. See you in the next vlog. Adios.